Hello everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and today I'm going to show you how to drill holes with a right angle drill. Now, what we have here is, I built this model wall last year, and we've got a Square D 100 amp sub panel, and I've got holes here on the bottom, but they're not big enough for the home runs coming to the panel. And so I've got to enlarge these holes from 3/4 inch to 1 1/4 inch. Now I could just drill more 3/4 holes, but I'm just going to go ahead and enlarge these to an 1 1/4 or 1 1/8. And then I also have to drill a big hole here for the service entrance wire, and another hole here. So let's get started. What I've got here is a Milwaukee right angle drill, Milwaukee right angle drill, and this is a good drill. So let me show y'all how this thing works. Now this thing has got is this gonna work? Okay. Let's see if this is gonna work. Here we go, number 2. Here. Alright, here we go, number 3 hole. Okay. That is a powerful drill, and as you can see when I was drilling, I had to hold the side handle. Now, normally there are no nails in this wood, but you know, if I was working in roughing in at a top plate, there'd be nails. So, but this is a inch and 3/8. So that's good. Alright, so now, let me see here. That's how you drill holes with a right angle drill. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.